I'm creating a yellow look. I'm creating the yellow color eye look in the pride flag. It is a single color yellow eyeshadow look. I'm putting it on over the white base that I have, and I'm blending it. And yellow represents sunlight. And I wrote, sunlight is a much needed part of nature. Sunlight is a much needed part of nature. Simple, quick, yellow pride eyeshadow look is what I am creating today. Always know that self is first. Do not ever dim your light for another. Please remember to subscribe to my channel so when a new video is out, you will be notified. I always appreciate you coming on this no drama channel. My name is V, and you are watching Makeup Without Limitations. Makeup your way. Today's eye look is yellow. Yellow represents sunlight in the pride flag. This is my pride yellow eye look. I did not have a yellow t-shirt, so I added yellow to go with my yellow pride look, sunlight. My base today is the new MAC formula. It is the new MAC formulation, MAC Studio Fix Plus NW45 Press Powder Foundation. You can use it wet or dry. My blush is Berry Spice. And it is by Ulta, and it is this middle one right here. This middle one. My lip color is by Wet n Wild, and it is called Cherry Bomb. I appreciate you watching. Thank you very much for hyping my video, watching my video all the way to the end. I want to say I appreciate that very much. My next book will be on the website. Please go to quiettimesreading.com. Leave your email address so I can email you when the new book is out. It is called How Dementia Stole My Dad From Me. I'll put the cover of the book so you can see. Please remember to support me there. Thank you very much. Today's I am is I am invincible. I am invincible. Be invincible at any age. Do what you gotta do and get your life right. Your way. Not anybody else's way, but your way. Thanks for watching. See you soon. We have one more color left in the pride, and then that will create the whole rainbow. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are. I am. I still have visitors. Thanks again. Bye bye.